Well, last year the Llŷn Coastal Bus ran 2 buses regularly between Llanbedrog, Abersoch, Porthnaigl, Aberdaron, Porthor and Nefyn between May and the autumn, and it also provided a door-to-door service. Now, the coastal bus route was an addition to the commercial bus routes, allowing people to walk the coastal path, leaving their cars. It opens the door to an area of outstanding natural beauty in an area where the Welsh language is the language of daily conversation. The bus is also used regularly by local people. A group of friends went from Abersoch to Aberdaron and visited Portheswnt and had a meal before going home. The bus is used by young and old, by mothers and their children during the summer holidays. It's of assistance in tackling health problems by encouraging people to keep fit through walking, and also tackles loneliness by providing transport to various events and heritage attractions. I had an opportunity prior to Christmas to meet a number of people who were involved with the success of the scheme in Nefyn, and heard from businesses and local individuals how the Llŷn Coastal Bus brought environmental, social and economic benefits to the Llŷn Peninsula. I'd like to thank the drivers, the volunteers and all those who maintain this service. And in the face of uncertainty in terms of funding for this year, I would encourage the government to support this important link in all ways possible.